This tiny board can control motors, sense motion, connect to Wi-Fi, and even talk to your phone. And it costs less than a movie ticket. This is the Arduino Uno R4. And if you've ever wanted to build real electronics, not just watch videos about them, this is where you start. Now, you might be wondering why this board, and not the older Uno R3, or something like an ESP32. Here's the difference. The R4 has a faster processor. It has more memory. It even has a built-in DAC for smoother analog signals. But the real upgrade is built-in Wi-Fi. That means this board can talk to your phone, your laptop, even the internet. No extra hardware needed. In this series, you're going to go from zero to building real projects. A motion sensor that detects when someone walks in. A mini weather station. Even a device that texts your phone when something happens. Every single line of code. Explained simply, no boring theory dumps. Here's what you need to get started. The board itself. A USB cable. And that's actually it. For this video, you don't even need extra parts. If you want to follow along with the whole series, grab a basic starter kit. I'll link one below. In the next video, we're going to install the software, write our very first line of code, and make something on this board physically react in under 5 minutes. That's where the real fun starts. If you want to actually build things instead of just watching, hit subscribe, because this whole playlist is designed to take you from complete beginner to building real projects, step by step. Thank you for watching.